Hi everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your server location in Hostinger. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel. Once you are inside, go to the websites section. You will see your hosting plan listed here. Click the three dots next to it and click Hosting Details. On the right side, you will find Server Details section. Here you will see your current server location along with a pencil icon. Click that to start the transfer process. Just a quick reminder, you can only initiate one transfer request every 30 days. So if you change it now, you will need to wait 30 days before changing it again. Next, pick your new server location from the drop down and click Next. You will be shown some important information about the transfer. After carefully reviewing it, click Start. Your server transfer will now begin. The process may take up to 12 hours to complete, and that's it. Once the process is complete, Hostinger will send an update to the registered email. We don't need to do anything from our end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.